Okay guys, so we've nipped down Leroy's, got us some decent milkshakes, $5.50 each, but you don't mind paying when you know it's gonna be good. And I mean, look at that strawberry milkshake, tons of whipped cream, strawberry sauce, Mike's that one as well, time to wet the whistle. Ah, that is lovely, refreshing, and the thing is, Five Guys, there'd probably be the powdered stuff, like the mixture probably, I imagine. Not
really good, that mate.
But these are done fresh products, best products, and honestly, I'm glad we come here. That's so refreshing. I mean, if I remember the last milkshake I had in a fast food place, I think it were McDonald's back in Newcastle, and yeah, that is what's put me off milkshakes at fast food places, because that were just like too thick, like dead sickly, which I mean, not really what you're wanting in a milkshake, is it? Nice fresh whipped cream, look at that guys, gorgeous.
Oh, cheers guys.
Yeah. Oh. Cheers guys. So hopefully soon we will come to another breakfast review down here as well, because just such a beautiful place. Like the owners are proper kind as well, so come down and support them. Anyway, 10 out of 10 from me.
All the local people, guys are making business over there.
Yeah.
Now Leroy's will show you where it is in a minute. Mark's going to on the end of the video.
I'll just quickly up and do it now.
Start down the bottom there.
So yeah, I'll head down bottom here just quickly. So like, where we are is, pardon me, quite literally the Fanti Beach is just the end of here, down here. And you're basically going to want to try and look for, hang on and I'll show you in a minute. You're basically going to want to look for this place here, Servant, which is the ice cream shop off Benidorm where Joey and Tiger say it's used as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Then look for the city, then just take a walk up the small alleyway in between, continue walking up here, and basically it's just here. Now if you are heading in from town, to get here from, like coming from the Plaza de Triangular, you are just gonna want to head down the second road, down past Popeyes, continue down that road, and basically just look for this restaurant here, the Old Pig Restaurant. Once you see that, head down the side of this pig restaurant, find AB Salon, then just come down here and Cafe Leroy's. So yeah, am I glad I come here? Definitely. Beautiful milkshake. Now I'm gonna go finish it. See you in next